Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. Alright, so let's begin. First go to canva.com and sign in. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Once signed in, search YouTube banner in the search bar and select from the suggested templates. Now YouTube banners have a safe area visible on all devices. This is where your main design should be placed. Some templates display this safe area clearly. Choose one that does. Copy the safe area shape and paste it onto your chosen design. This way you can design confidently knowing which parts will always be visible. To get more precise, go to File then Settings and enable rulers and guides. Drag these in to mark the safe zone. Adjust your elements like text so they are centered within the safe area. Hold Shift to select multiple elements and reposition them as needed. Now change the text fonts and colors. To add a background photo, go to Uploads and import your own media. You can use free images from websites like Pexels. Drag the image onto your design and adjust its size. Add any additional elements using the Elements tab. Once done, click Share, then download as PNG. Your banner will be saved to your computer ready for upload. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a YouTube banner in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.